we do not believe Westerman is properly punished in this case for what he did.
A former Baltimore County cop, Anthony Westerman, convicted on 2 counts of rape. Friday, Judge Keith Truffer handed down his sentence, all suspended except for 4 years of home detention, no jail time.
Which means, this defendant who's been convicted of second-degree rape will be serving the sentence in the privacy of their own home. And that certainly was not something that we were expecting or looking for.
State's Attorney Scott Schellenberger says Judge Truffer decided to throw out one of the rape convictions he handed down in August and stated there was not evidence of any psychological injury to the victim. The prosecution did not provide a letter from the victim's psychologist.
The victim did tell everyone, and she has been in counseling ever since this incident happened. So I didn't really think there was dispute about the fact that there was psychological damage. Now, candidly, we didn't have a letter from the psychologist, but we very often don't. And there really was not a dispute that she has been, in fact, in counseling.
You can't be raped and assaulted like that without suffering terrible trauma.
Dorothy Lenig with House of Ruth was stunned by the sentence. According to court testimony, Westerman met the 22-year-old victim at a bar in 2017. She was drunk and asked for a ride home, except Westerman took her to his house where she passed out and he raped her. Both Schellenberger and Lenig worry about the lasting implications of this sentence.
I think this is what makes it so hard for victims, particularly of sex crimes, to come forward, because I think it feels to the victim like nothing happened to this man.
It really is the entire package that I think sends the wrong message, not only to defendants, but also to sexual assault victims. By them seeing this sentence, they may have second thoughts about reporting their own rape case.
An attorney for Westerman sent us a statement saying, in part, Officer Westerman and his family are relieved that the judge did the right thing by not sending him to prison. We believe that the verdict was against the weight of the evidence, and he says they do plan to appeal that verdict. Meanwhile, Schellenberger says his office is looking into whether they have any legal recourse to challenge the decision the judge made. Reporting live in Towson, Kim Day, CWBAL TV 11 News.